Welcome to DICloak. In this video, I'll show you how to create a profile and introduce some key features. First, go to Profiles and click Create Profile. Here, we'll configure settings in 4 main sections. Part 1. General Settings. Start by naming your profile. Then, add the website account information for this profile. You can add multiple accounts or leave this blank. Select an account type or choose Other Accounts, enter the platform URL, and fill in the username and password. These credentials will be saved in the browser's built-in password manager, so users can autofill them later. If your website uses 2FA authentication, you can enter the 2FA secret key here. Users will then be able to retrieve the 2FA code directly from the browser's check page. Next, you can import the platform's cookies directly or leave this empty. Once the profile is created and you log into the platform, cookies will be captured automatically. In proxy settings, you can choose No Proxy, add a new proxy now. Select an existing proxy from Proxy Management, or fetch one via API. Please note, DICloak does not provide proxy services. You can check the proxy resource page in Proxy Management to test proxy quality yourself. Using a stable proxy helps keep your website accounts more secure and stable. Finally, set a profile group. This is about member permissions, allowing you to restrict certain members to viewing only profiles within a specific group. Part 2. Fingerprint Settings. You can keep most options default here, but I'll highlight a few I recommend changing. First, select the operating system that the profile will simulate. Set the user agent your browser wants to simulate. Set language. This determines the default language for all browser tabs. Expand more fingerprint settings. The interface language refers to the browser's own UI language. The options below can generally stay default. For screen resolution, I recommend using custom to avoid platforms detecting your real resolution. For WebRTC, if you want to set substitute, you can configure it to use the proxy IP or simply disable it. Most other settings here can remain default. Finally, browser kernel. I suggest choosing version 134 or 142, as some platforms may no longer be fully compatible with older versions. Part 3. Advanced Settings. Many settings here can also be configured globally for consistency across profiles or customized per profile. Default startup pages. Enter the website URL you'll use, so you and your members will automatically open that page. Restore last session. If you choose to restore sessions, opened tabs will sync across members. Data sync. This is key for enabling automatic login across members. I suggest checking at least cookies, account passwords, local storage, and indexed. Then enable Prevent Data Overwrite and add the admins group to the whitelist. This ensures only the admin's login data syncs to others. Clear local cache. You can set automatically clear the cache on their device every time a member opens the profile, or at regular intervals. Enable Sync Cloud Data after clearing so members always see the latest data synced from the admin. Browser Settings. To protect account security, I recommend selecting Global Settings here. Going to Global Settings to enable options that prevent members from viewing or tampering with account information. To enable account sharing, turn on multi-session mode. In Bookmark Settings, you can upload a bookmark file. Website Access Restriction. Enter URLs that might leak account information. Members won't be able to open them. Extension Settings. Assign an extension group if needed. Once everything is set, click Confirm to create the profile. Next, let me briefly introduce the profile list features. Here you can view open profiles, shared profiles, and the trash, where you can permanently delete or restore profiles. You can perform batch operations in the profile list and filter profiles by various criteria. Control which fields are displayed and their order. In profile groups, you can see which profiles belong to each group and which members have access. Member access to profile groups can be adjusted in the member list. That covers the key features of creating and managing profiles in DICloak. If you have more questions, visit the Help Center link below this video or contact our technical support. We're here to help.